How to use Perplexity AI for coding. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use this AI. First of all, open the application. So now I'm in my home page. Here on the bottom, you can see the search bar. Simply tap on the search bar. Now here, you can ask any question related to the coding. Here, you can even write different prompts and give it to it. So for example, here, I'm asking it to provide me a HTML code to write a new website. So it will provide all the details to write a new website. So this will give you all the results, and later you can even copy the code and directly paste it to different software or even Visual Studio Code and start getting run. So it's a very quick and easy way. Here, as you can see, it has already executed it. Now I can simply copy this and the website will be completely run. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.